Hey guys, it's Judy Vlogs, and today I'm back with another video, and I have a guest with me. Hi. And her name is? Eliana. Yeah, and today we're going to be playing Flush the Toilet. Yeah, let's get started. So this is the toilet. Yeah, guys, this is the toilet, and we have water in it. And then we have this toilet paper. It says you have to spin it, and it says
Okay, let's
how
just
much.
get onto it.
Then you have to. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, we're gonna get started. So we're getting started with the game, and I'm filming her. Yeah. Let's see. She got 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You did 3 already. Okay. Now it's my turn.
I realized a little hack. Okay.
Okay, guys, it's my turn. She didn't get sprayed, so yeah.
You're gonna get sprayed.
You don't know that.
Now it's her.
It's my turn.
The
Now
beautiful woman.
let me spin.
Yeah, but just squishy.
I got
You got a 2.
2. Okay.
2. Yeah.
Okay, now it's her turn. So she's about to flush the toilet. She's about to spin. Okay.
2.
Okay.
1. Oh, how about we just put it over like this? We have to put it over like this and close our eyes. So
Yeah.
we
Okay.
actually get sprayed just in case it won't spray us. Like,
Yeah. Okay. Now it's my turn.
your face over that.
Okay, I'm gonna spin first. I got 3.
1, 2, 3.
It kind of sprayed me a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit lower. I know what's gonna go on.
She's about to spin.
I already spent. I didn't mean to do that. 1 again. Okay.
Okay. Okay, she didn't get sprayed. That's good. Okay, now it's my
Your
turn.
turn. Little interview. Put your face over there. See what that? That's a 2.
Yeah, that's a 2.
Put your face over. And your face. 1. I'm scared. 2. I know. Time to roll.
Okay, stay still, stay still. I got a 1.
1.
Okay.
It's sprayed her. Never mind. I thought one that was. Oh, it sprayed her.
My gosh.
Yeah.
Now it's her turn. It's her turn.
2.
She got a 2. Hope you get sprayed.
She did get sprayed. 2.
Okay.
It's 1 to 2.
No, it's 1 to 0.
1 to 0.
Yeah, I
1
got
to 0 because I got
So-
0 times and she got 1.
Okay.
Spin.
1. I hope I
One.
don't get sprayed.
Darn it.
Oh my god.
Darn it.
Okay, now
Let's
it's her turn.
spin.
She got
3. No. Okay, let me
I
get the
don't
phone
wanna-
away so I don't want it to like.
Yeah, I don't want to spray it. Oh my. You only got 1. Okay, that's good.
And then I got 3.
Oh yeah. That didn't spray her. Okay, spin.
1. Open it. What? Get your face closer.
Guys, so we just discussed. We said if like she gets sprayed, since like I have 1 point and she has 1.
By the way, I just spinned. I got 3. I'm dead.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's just block it.
No,
Let me just
no.
let me just do this.
No. Okay, turn it on. Turn it.
You know what you should add lipstick like Miranda.
Me?
That'd be perfect. Yeah.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, she just got sprayed. You guys just saw
3.
it's 3. If I get sprayed, she's gonna be the winner.
Get sprayed. 1.
Oh no! I didn't get Okay, just put that away. Okay, now it's her turn. Luckily, I didn't get sprayed.
Sadly.
One. She got it one. She might get sprayed. Oh, she did
Thank
get
God.
sprayed.
Don't you dare touch one of my weapons, by the way.
I got a
3. Yes. Yes, I do win.
Okay, guys. So okay, I'm gonna get all dried up. I'll see you next time.
Yep. Or else. I'm kidding. I don't know.
So that includes ending our video here.
But first, check out her next video where she is gonna get sprayed with this whole tire water because she left, like she failed, like.
Okay, guys. So we're not
She
doing
wants to
that.
drink it.
We're not doing that one.
Oh, it's spilled on me. Karma.
Okay. So guys, she's gonna go wash her hands.
I'm gonna go dry my pants.
Okay. Okay, so guys, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Peace out. I did
What?
this. Peace out.